Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from PayPal to GCash in 2025. If you're a freelancer, online shopper, or just someone managing multiple accounts, this step-by-step guide will help you move funds smoothly and securely. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both a verified PayPal account and a GCash account. Verification is key to avoid any hiccups, so double-check that your IDs are linked and your accounts are in good standing. Why? Because in 2025, financial regulations are tighter than ever, ensuring safer transactions. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account on the app or website. Head over to the Wallet or Transfer section. Here, you'll want to withdraw your funds to a linked bank account. Pro tip: choose a bank that's compatible with GCash for faster processing. Most major banks in the Philippines work seamlessly. Once the money is in your bank, log into your GCash app. Go to the Cash In option and select From Bank. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the details. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on your bank. Remember, fees might apply, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Aim for transfers under peak times to minimize costs. If you're dealing with larger amounts, consider using PayPal's direct bank transfer feature, which has been updated in 2025 for quicker international moves. Always double-check exchange rates if you're converting currencies, as the Philippine peso might fluctuate. Finally, once the funds are in your GCash wallet, you're good to go. You can use it for bills, shopping, or sending money to friends. That's it for this quick tutorial. If you run into any issues, PayPal and GCash both have excellent customer support chatbots now. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.